Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Pipigirl is probably one of the most versatile and stylish accessories you can add to your wardrobe, offering a unique blend of functionality and fashion that appeals to a wide range of tastes and needs. Whether you're looking to elevate a casual outfit or add a touch of personality to a more formal ensemble, this accessory has the potential to become your go-to item for any occasion, making it a standout choice in the current market. Number 5. Fruit of the Loom Girls Undershirts. Discover ultimate comfort with our soft and breathable undershirts. Designed for everyday wear, they provide a gentle feel against the skin. These undershirts offer a perfect fit that moves with her throughout the day. Whether playing or relaxing, they ensure unrestricted movement. Crafted for durability, these garments are made to last. Enjoy long-lasting wear and easy care, wash after wash. A versatile addition to any wardrobe, they are perfect for layering or wearing on their own. They provide a smooth foundation for any outfit. These are the perfect everyday essentials for your little one. Experience the quality and comfort that Fruit of the Loom is known for. What we like. If you're looking for everyday comfort and durability for your little ones, these undershirts are a fantastic choice. They are made from soft cotton and designed for a tag-free experience, ensuring maximum comfort throughout the day. Their multi-pack value makes them a practical and economical option for busy parents. What people say. Quality of these shirts are fantastic. They do not fade or shrink when washed. Soft yet sturdy. Hasn't shrunk in the washer that I'm aware of. They washed up pretty well and held their color. They did not wrinkle much and were long enough to stay tucked in when desired. They are not too heavy or thin fabric. Number 4. Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit for Fire Tablet. Introducing the Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit for Fire Tablet. It's a magical way for your child to learn and play. Watch as their physical game pieces come to life on the Fire Tablet. This award-winning kit makes learning fun and interactive, no Wi-Fi needed for gameplay. It helps children develop pre-reading skills, letter formation, and phonics. They can also create anything they imagine and explore stories. This kit fosters creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving. It provides real-time feedback in a stress-free environment, perfect for ages 3-5+. The kit comes with an Osmo base, reflector, costume pieces, sticks and rings for forming letters and numbers, a play mat, and 4 engaging game apps. It's compatible with specific Fire HD models, ensuring a seamless and educational experience for your little one. What we like. For parents seeking an engaging and educational experience for their preschoolers, this kit is ideal. It combines physical play pieces with a tablet to bring learning to life, focusing on crucial early STEM skills. If you want your child to learn through interactive, hands-on fun, this is the perfect gift. What people say. It's very interactive and it gets him excited to play along. Plus it's very cool that he gets to see his work on the tablet. The Osmo system has been such an amazing system for my kids to learn on. Endless of fun, and they are actually learning something while they play. Would start off with the 4 games for anyone 4 and under, but great introduction to educational interactive games. My almost 4-year-old loves that it talks to her, and I love that it shows her what to do for all the games each time. Number 3. JoJo Siwa 10-inch Singing Doll. Introducing the JoJo Siwa 10-inch Singing Doll. She's ready to bring the music and fun right to your home. This amazing doll sings her hit song, non-stop, just like in the music video. Get ready to sing along. She's dressed in a vibrant pink jacket with rainbow fringe, inspired by JoJo's iconic style. It's a look your child will love. This set comes with a cool silver microphone for her performances, a hairbrush for styling, and a fun wear and share bow. With articulated arms and legs, she's perfect for imaginative play. Your child can create endless adventures with her. Designed for kids aged 6 and up, this doll is a fantastic gift for any JoJo Siwa fan. Let the fun begin. What we like. If your child is a fan of JoJo Siwa and loves singing and dancing, this doll is a must-have. It captures her iconic style and even sings her hit song, encouraging imaginative play and musical fun. It's the perfect companion for any young fan who enjoys pop culture and creative storytelling. What people say. The quality of the doll is excellent. Good for hours of play, hair doesn't fall out when brushed, legs stay in place, etc. As pictured, sings like advertised. Good size. Number 2. Pipigirl 118 Soldier Action Figures. Discover our collection figures, designed with realistic articulation for an authentic feel. These figures bring your favorite characters to life with incredible detail. Crafted from durable ABS resin and PVC plastic, each model boasts a highly detailed design. They come complete with authentic uniforms and a variety of accessories for a complete experience. Experience true posability with multiple movable joints, clearly visible in their structure. Each piece is meticulously hand-painted with excellent pigments for a stunning finish. These 1/18 scale, 4-inch-tall soldier action figures are a testament to fine craftsmanship. Each one is fully posable, showcasing intricate details and expert hand painting. Looking for a great gift? This action figure is ideal for sons or men, perfect for birthdays, holidays, or as a back-to-school surprise. It's especially suited for military enthusiasts. What we like? This action figure set is perfect for military enthusiasts and collectors who appreciate detail and realism. With its highly detailed design, authentic uniforms, and numerous accessories, it offers a premium collecting experience. If you're looking for a gift that combines intricate craftsmanship with playability for older children or adults, this is an excellent selection. What people say. Highly detailed and pretty robust. The articulation is a little odd at first, but it's easy to get used to. It looks good on a shelf. Detailed and nice looking, wish it was a larger scale and stood up better, but besides that it's great. The figure and everything is really good, probably the best you'll get without painting. Everything is highly detailed. Number 1. SWAT 12 Action Figure 1:6 Scale. Introducing a highly detailed 1:6 scale action figure, standing approximately 12 inches tall. This collectible is designed for display and imaginative play. It features over 30 points of articulation, allowing for dynamic posing and realistic action. You can position it in countless ways to recreate your favorite scenes. This figure comes with 3 sets of interchangeable hands, perfect for holding various accessories. The boots and clothing are also removable for customization. Everything you see in the picture is included, ensuring you have all the necessary gear and accessories right out of the box. It can even stand on its own. This makes an excellent gift for sons or friends who love military soldier playsets. It's designed to hold accessories securely and offers hours of engaging play. Please note that this toy contains small parts and is not suitable for children under 3 years of age. Adult supervision is recommended. What we like? For those who love detailed military figures and enjoy creating dynamic scenes, this 12-inch SWAT action figure is a great choice. Its high level of articulation and numerous accessories allow for realistic posing and play. If you are looking for a figure that offers extensive customization and display options, this model is ideal for both play and collection. What people say. The toy is good quality and built to last. The size is as described and the appearance is as pictured. There is nothing to assemble. You take it out of the box and it's ready to go. The action figure itself is a lot more robust than actual Barbie-type dolls. Articulation is good and stays put, and all accessories have been good and interchangeable with other figures in the series. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.